This week we get to meet someone who loves creating intentional spaces through DIY. So put down your tools, guys, it's time to meet a maker. Welcome back to Make or Break. I'm Sarah, and today we get to talk to Brittany from Crooked Little House. Brittany, thank you so much for joining me.
Hi, Sarah. Thanks for having me. I'm excited to be here. I'm Brittany, and I share home decor and DIY on Instagram at Crooked Little House. And most recently, I've been sharing the process of building our own house. We general contracted the whole thing and DIY'd a bunch of stuff along the way, and we've just moved in. So that's been quite an adventure.
All right, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your channel?
I've always been kind of crafty and creative. I really enjoyed crafting as a child, and even doing things like drawing to scale floor plans of my bedroom. I grew up helping my dad build furniture in his workshop and watching him DIY, and then I actually married an architect. So DIY, building, and being creative have kind of been all around me my whole life. I got started on Instagram a few years ago. I just really appreciated the creative inspiration I was finding there and wanted to return that and inspire and encourage others to build a home that suited their needs and something that was beautiful at the same time. And that didn't mean it always came from a store. It meant that sometimes you had to think out of the box and build it yourself.
Oh, I love that you got to work with your dad growing up. That's so cool. All right, tell us, what is the most unsung hero in your shop?
Oh, my toolbox hero, it's a tie. It's a tie between my drill and my impact driver. My drill is basically an extension of my arm at this point. I think I use it in every single project, and my impact driver is kind of a new favorite for me, but especially when we were building this house, it has become kind of essential in some of the cabinetry we were putting together and the deck we were building, just different things like that. So I really don't think I could pick between those two.
All right, those are two of the first tools that we recommend to anyone who's just starting out, and same, we use ours all of the time. All right, what is your all-time favorite project?
You ask hard questions. Asking me to pick a favorite project is kind of like asking me to pick a favorite child. I love them for different things and different reasons and the different things they taught me. And building a house is kind of a chart topper. But besides that, in our old house, I was really proud of the kitchen renovation we did. I learned a lot of new skills, and it really stretched me. And the breakfast nook area that was connected to the kitchen, it was pretty cool to turn that into an office for me and to take that from a space that really wasn't functioning and working for us and turn it into something a little bit outside the box that worked so well for what we were doing and for our family. And that kind of helped me want to inspire others to do the same and to really, like I said before, take things in your house that aren't working for you and turn them into things that do work.
Oh my gosh, a kitchen renovation is so intimidating to me, but I love how yours turned out and you make it look easy. All right, name a maker that you enjoy following.
I've been inspired by so many DIYers on Instagram, but the first one that comes to mind is Jenna Roach. She is not afraid to teach herself new things and to learn new skills, to try new tools. And I've really learned a lot from watching her. And she does these really great furniture flips. She'll find something on Facebook Marketplace and duplicate it to like a high-end furniture piece. So I've really enjoyed all the DIY she shares, and she's just really funny and really an enjoyable person to just follow along with.
That page looks like it's so much fun to follow. I will make sure to put it in the description below. All right, Brittany, what are you working on next?
We have a whole house of projects. When you build a house yourself, you can move in before it's totally done. So we have everything from staining the mantle to installing toe molding to, of course, more fun things like wall treatments and built-ins. I'm currently working on just getting some closet systems built for our kids' closet to kind of get us organized, but we have tons of fun things installed. I have so many plans and things I want to do. We got a blank slate here, and I'm really looking forward to all the little things and the big things that we're going to do over the next few years.
Any project that creates better workflow or even just a little bit better organization in your life, just that's super exciting to me. I cannot wait to see how it turns out. Brittany, thank you again for joining me today. I love getting to meet you virtually. One day, hopefully, I'll get to meet you in person.
Thank you so much for having me. This has been a lot of fun, and it is totally motivating me to go and get a few things done so I can move on to some of those fun projects.
All right, guys, I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us that we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with heart. Break's over, go make something.